Medyo bata pa. So how do you like him to do it? Hand or fifth? Fifth! Okay, so sige, let us get realistic. You're just going to do it with your hand, okay? And to our cheerers, just say higher if you want him to go higher. Okay? Art,
Yes!
kneel down and put in the garter on the leg. Okay, so ayaw ni Art. At dahil ayaw mo, hindi kami lahat natuwa. Okay? So just stay here. Ikaw na maglalagay naman. So Miss Aggie, you may now stand up. Stay beside Art. Ayan. So they are our new couple. And they will be with our newlyweds, Miss Leslie and JC. Girls on each other side, no? Just stay with your pair. Doon po kayo. Yan. Okay. So picture taking first. Okay. So dahil hindi naman kami natuwa sa ginawa ni Art, because we said you should go higher. Pero you did not go higher. Kaya